If you don't have all of your teeth, you're probably missing out on some good things in life, like eating your favorite foods, smiling when you laugh, or meeting someone special. Wouldn't it be nice to have all of your teeth again? You can, with TeethXpress. In as little as one day, a certified TeethXpress provider can perform a painless dental implant procedure if you need to replace missing teeth, old bridgework, loose fitting, or conventional dentures. With TeethXpress, you will be treated by an attentive dental staff and an experienced doctor. Dental implants are the most natural-looking and comfortable form of tooth replacement available. After your procedure, you'll be proud of your dental implants and new teeth composed of high-quality dental materials. You'll finally be able to eat what you want, smile when you laugh, and feel confident to meet that someone special. To learn more about TeethXpress dental implants, visit TeethXpress.com. You'll be able to experience the before and after stories of real patients, get answers for general questions about dental implants, and find a certified TeethXpress provider to schedule a consultation. Start on your journey to a better smile today.